Hello children, I am Shubhashish. Children, let's talk about everyday situations where you use subtraction. Imagine you have 10 apples and you give 4 of them to a friend. To find out how many apples you've left, you subtract 4 from 10. Or think about your homework. If you finish 7 out of 12 problems, you need to subtract 7 from 12 to find out how many problems are left to do. When checking your bank account, if you have rupees 200 and you spend rupees 75 on a book, subtraction helps you see how much money remains. Subtraction helps us figure out how much we have gained or lost, whether it's counting apples, finishing tasks, or managing money. In this video, let us understand how to subtract integers is key to solving these everyday problems. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know: learn how to subtract positive and negative integers and find their differences. Understand how to use a number line for subtracting integers in practical situations. Apply subtraction rules to solve real-life problems involving temperatures and finances. Keywords from this lesson are subtraction, integers, positive integers, negative integers, number line, additive inverse, difference, subtrahend. Children, let us see subtraction of integers. Subtracting integers is the process of finding the difference between two or more integers, where the final value might increase or decrease depending on the integer being positive or negative. The different rules and the possible cases for the subtraction of integers are given in the following section. Rules of integers in subtraction. There are certain rules to be followed to subtract two integers. Integers are complete numbers that do not have fractional parts. It includes positive integers, 0, and negative integers. The rules for subtracting integers are given below. If you subtract 0 from any integer, the answer will be the integer itself. If we subtract any integer from 0, we will find the additive inverse or the opposite of the integer. Subtraction of integers is done by changing the sign of the subtrahend. After this step, if both numbers are of the same sign, then we add the absolute values and attach the common sign. If both the numbers are of different signs, then we find the difference of the absolute numbers and place the sign of the bigger number in the result. The table given below shows the subtracting integer rules with examples. Let us see one example. Subtract the given integers 7 minus 10. Solution. 7 minus 10 can be written as plus 7 minus of plus 10. Convert the given expression into an addition problem and change the sign of the subtrahend, so we get 7 plus of minus 10. Now, the rules for this operation will be the same as for the addition of two integers. Here, the absolute values of 7 and minus 10 are 7 and 10 respectively. Their difference, large number minus smaller number, is 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Now among 7 and 10, 10 is a larger number and its original sign is minus. Hence, the result gets a negative sign. Therefore, 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Children, now let us see subtracting integers on a number line. The subtraction of integers on a number line is based on the given principles. Every subtraction fact can be written as an addition fact. Adding a positive number will be done by moving towards the right side or the positive side of the number line. Adding a negative integer will be done by moving towards the left side or the negative side of the number line. Any one of the given integers can be taken as the base point from where we start moving on the number line. Now let us learn how to subtract integers on a number line. For example, in subtracting 10 from minus 30, we can take a scale of 10 on the number line to ease our work. However, if we have to subtract minus 2 from 7, we can take a scale of counting numbers starting from 1. Now, let us learn how to subtract integers on a number line. For example, if you need to subtract 4 from 29, it is better if we locate 29 on the line first and then take 4 jumps towards the left, rather than locating minus 4 and then taking 29 jumps. Let us take some examples. Example: subtract minus 4 from minus 7. Solution: for subtracting integers on a number line, let us follow the steps given below. Step 1. The expression can be written as minus 7 minus of minus 4. Draw a number line with a scale of 1. Step 2. Express minus 7 minus of minus 4 as an addition expression by changing the sign of the subtrahend from negative to positive. We get minus 7 plus 4. Step 3. Start from minus 7, take 4 jumps to the right side as we are adding 4 to minus 7. Therefore, minus 3 is the required answer. Minus 7 minus of minus 4 is equal to minus 7 plus 4, which is equal to minus 3. Subtraction of two positive integers. Example. Subtract 2 from 5. Solution. To subtract 2 from 5, first we move 5 steps to the right from 0, then move 2 steps back to the left. As we reach to 3, hence 5 minus of plus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Subtraction of two negative integers. Subtract minus 12 from minus 8. Solution. To subtract minus 12 from minus 8, first we have to move 8 steps to the left of 0, then move 12 steps to the right of minus 8. As we reach to 4, hence minus 8 minus of minus 12 is equal to minus 8 plus 12, which is equal to 4. Subtraction of one negative and one positive integer. To subtract a positive integer from any other integer. Subtract 3 from minus 4. Solution. To subtract minus 4 from 3, first we have to move 4 steps to the left of 0, then move 3 steps more to the left. As we've reached to minus 7, hence minus 4 minus of plus 3 is equal to minus 4 plus of minus 3 is equal to minus 7. To subtract a negative integer from any other integer. Subtract minus 3 from 4. Solution. To subtract minus 3 from 4, first we have to move 4 steps to the right of 0, then move 3 steps more to the right. As we've reached to 7, hence 4 minus of minus 3 is equal to 4 plus of plus 3, which is equal to plus 7. Points to remember. Subtracting integers involves changing the sign of the subtrahend and finding the difference. Subtracting integers is the process of finding the difference between two or more integers where the final value might increase or decrease depending on the integer being positive or negative. Subtracting a positive integer means moving left on the number line, while subtracting a negative integer means moving right. These subtraction rules can be applied to real-life situations such as tracking temperatures and managing finances. Thanks for watching.